In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Exness account to MetaTrader 5. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to log into your Exness trading account directly from the MT5 platform and start trading right away. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 already installed on your computer or mobile device, and that your Exness account is set up and verified. Once that's ready, open your MetaTrader 5 app. When MT5 is open, look towards the top left of the screen and click on the File menu. This is where you can manage your trading accounts. From the list that appears under File, select the option that says Open an Account. This is the section MT5 uses to connect to different brokers, including Exness. A new window will pop up, asking you to choose a trading server or find your broker. In the search bar, start typing Exness. Wait a moment for the platform to search, and you should see several Exness servers appear in the list. Carefully select the Exness broker server that matches the details provided in your Exness account, usually indicating whether it's a real or demo server. Once you've chosen the correct Exness server, click Next. On the next screen, you'll see different options for how to connect. Here, you want to choose Connect with an existing account. This tells MT5 that you already have an Exness account and simply want to log in, not create a new one. Now we need to grab your actual MT5 login credentials from Exness. Open your browser and go to the Exness website, then log into your profile. After logging in, look for the menu icon made up of 9 small dots, usually in the top area of the page. Click on that and then select Personal Area or Open Personal Area, depending on how it's labeled on your screen. Inside your personal area, go to My Accounts. This section lists all of your trading accounts. Scroll down through your accounts and you'll find the specific login details for your MT5 account, including your account number and the server name. Do not share this information with anyone and keep it in a safe place. Go back to MetaTrader 5 and enter the account number and password exactly